Today, I will teach you what steps these big servers took to grow that you didn't. And I am qualified to say this since I own a server with over 12,000 members and I have been running this server since 2019. So watch the video till the end as I will be sharing no nonsense and straight to the point tips and tricks that no YouTuber has shared. The first step is do Discord Nitro giveaways, hold events, and give Nitro to winners. But if you are broke, well, I can't do anything about it. But big servers normally host a lot of big Nitro events frequently, which attracts a lot of people. Now the second step, create decor server. They get a ton of people even though they are not good at making decors and layout. The same for emoji servers. Just get free emojis from the websites and add them to your server. Fourth step, become a YouTuber. That's how I grow my server since my videos get a ton of views. Fifth step, become a bot developer. Well, if you know how to code a bot, you can be as successful as Shape Server and Mimi Server that's owned by Iera. Sixth step, keep your members feel safe using Strong Verification Bot. Last year, a member named Hanuel or GU joined us. She found our minor members' Instagram and started leaking them to strange men. After that, I reached out to Discord Trust and Safety and got her Discord account banned. You need to be a type of leader that everyone can place their trust in. But think about it before creating a server. Can you handle the argument from these helpless attention-seeking kids who pretend to have mental disorders every day? Can you handle scam situations and keep your female and young members safe? Can you take your time out from job or school schedules? Can you keep your server active? And if not, well, no problem, you can become a staff. Anyway, good luck to everyone who is planning to create their own server. My suggestion is, keep your mental health safe. And touch the damn grass, kids.